Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial on how to use StreamYard. I love StreamYard because you don't have to download it, it's free, and you can make some awesome videos on YouTube with it. So first you create a broadcast. Now obviously if you don't have an account on StreamYard, you'll have to enter your email, but I'm already signed in. Okay. Now you can either start recording here and post it later, or if you want to go live, you can add a destination. You can go live on Facebook, on a Facebook page, a Facebook group, Facebook profile, LinkedIn page, LinkedIn event, LinkedIn profile. You can go live on YouTube, Periscope, Twitch. I don't even know what that is. Anyway, I have a YouTube channel. As you might know, this is my YouTube channel. So here we are, my friends. We're gonna allow it to connect. There we are. And here we're going to title this, how to use StreamYard. How to use StreamYard. You can put a description here if you want to. Now here's the tip. You have to click schedule for later in order to be able to put a thumbnail. Click the thumbnail. Click schedule for later. Put a thumbnail. Where's my thumbnail? There it is. Thumbnail. That's my thumbnail. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna click apply. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna look at the time. Right now it is 12:11, and I'm going to set my time for 12:15. I'm gonna give myself 4 minutes before I have to go live. Now, clicking the time when you're going to go live starts an announcement on your YouTube channel. Okay, so enter the broadcast studio. So again, we're entering the studio. That does not mean we're going live. I'm not going live at this time. I have to click to go live. Hello, there is me, sick and lovely, to enter the broadcast studio. Okay. So here we are over here. It says what time it's scheduled for and how many minutes till then, but I can click go live at any time. If I want to add myself in, I'm going to add stream, okay? I'm going to take that off for a second. Over here, let's say I want to add a window over here. Let's say I want to pull up, let's pull up my YouTube channel, just because I want to. If you want to, okay, share something on your channel, I'm gonna mute this. Oh, well. I'm gonna mute that. And I'm gonna skip the ad and put pause. There's my YouTube channel video there. So what I want to do is I want to add to stream myself. And then I also, if I want to, here, I'll show you this one. So I'm clicking that I want this one, but I still have to go down here and click share screen. And then here, I want to share my screen. And then over here, I'm going to click a Chrome tab. I'm going to click my YouTube video, and I'm going to click to share it. Okay, so then I'm over here, and I'm going to push play. So then I'm over here with my messy hair, and I've got a small little video going here. Okay, then I'm going to show you if you want to make the video bigger and yourself smaller, you push this icon right here. If you want to have just the video going, obviously, just right there. And it doesn't have to be a video, it can be any sort of screen or whatever, what have you. And you can get rid of it. If you want to have a friend and the screen will be split in half and it'll show no black, you can put that. If you want to have you know, see the full screen, look at my ceiling, see the full screen of each side, like full rectangle and have black around it, you can do this icon. Or if you want to have multiple people, like 3 people, you can do that icon, whatever. But in order to invite people, you're going to click invite. You're going to click copy to clipboard, right? And you're going to go over to your friends, wherever, and you're gonna go to your messenger, and you're gonna say to yourself, you're gonna send yourself, you're gonna say, hey self, Evelyn Joy, why don't you come to my stream? So then there's the stream right there that you can click on, right? So we have that, and then so you copy that, and then when the person shows, they're going to show right here, and you're going to click either, you can click add to stream for the person when they're right there, right? When you want to go live, you're going to click go live. Are you sure? Go live. And then suddenly we are live. When you want to end the broadcast, you'll end right there, right? End broadcast. Yep. Ending it. Was it good? Yeah, it was awesome. I love how it went. I don't want to leave feedback. Thank you. And then I want to, remove myself. Got it. And I just want to leave the studio. Bye. Past broadcasts. I just want to delete this one because that was just, and I want to delete it on YouTube as well because that was just a practice round. So I hope, and all of this was free. You can upgrade your account if you're not as cheap as me, and you can do it. You can do awesome things, right? So anyway, that's all I have for you today, folks. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a lovely day.